Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is July 20th, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. So recently, I've been getting a lot of emails from people asking me, Nick, when do you think these energy stocks are going to bottom? Where can we pick up energy stocks? And I said, well, it's not going to be about picking up bottoms. It's going to be about picking up equities when they're at the right levels and people want them. And one stock I'm watching now is Chevron Corp. And this stock has really been in a downtrend for quite a while. You can see here, stock is trading below all the moving averages and basically just trading parallel with the 20 moving average to the downside. This tells me I don't want the stock at this point in time. But what I like to do is I like to sometimes look at the bigger time frame. So if you take a look here at the weekly chart, what you'll notice is that the stock is coming into a significant low right around the $92.25 level, going all the way back to November 2011. And then sometimes I even like to look at a bigger picture, which is the monthly chart. And I like to take all these time frame analysis pictures and say, all right, where would the institutions come back in? And the one thing that stands out to me more than anything else on the chart is the fact that right here, on the month of October 2011, the equity traded as low as $86.67, and it shot up in the same week as high as $110. That's a power move in the market. You had a pullback there, the market held. Then when you go back in time, you look at 2008, that's exactly where the stock broke down, and the low on that equity was around $81. So I know somewhere in here is where I want this equity. Now, if I just go with the low pivot at 86 bucks and I just draw a line straight across, that gives me a pretty good level right off the bat, because that tells me from the move that we made in 2009, right here from this low to all the way up here, that's probably about a 50% retrace. So when I say I want to get involved in this equity, it's going to be right around the $86 level. If stock gets down to 86, I think that's a spot where traders can trade this to the upside. Potential retrace would probably be about 95 to 100 bucks. So again, if you're looking to get involved in Chevron, wait on this. It's in a downtrend. Let it fall lower. Let it come into this bar. Let it pierce it a little bit. That's what markets love to do, and that's where you look to get in Chevron, right around the $86 area on the chart. So again, Chevron gets to 86, I'm in. I don't care what happens. Technically, that is going to be a very, very good level. The only thing that would change my mind is if we got a bearish pattern ahead of the level, then the level is susceptible to breaking lower. But right now, looking at the charts, especially a monthly time frame, $86 is where you want to get involved in Chevron Corp. Remember, this was a stock that traded above $135 basically in 2014, now trading at 93. So let it get down to 86. That's ultimately where it wants to go. Once it gets there, traders can jump in, and that's where you will be supported by the institutional money. Just looking at this big wide range bar, it took a lot of energy to create this move, and they're not going to let it dip just like that. So again, watch the big institutional traders. They're the ones that are going to make you money. You just got to know where they're going to get involved in the equity, and you can make money too. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.